Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kasenjuk kirang basnong ka border area ka blok 2 henne ka singi ka khandai tarik unailar ar kilalet banyak kendu yung menteri rang ba ka jella ukanrat sangma banyak keren halor ka mat jong ka Pynbeit yo put usam. Nakaliang u presiden kasenjuk kirang basnong ka border area uba Black Star sotun ulong ba ka jingwan keren ka jongki yo ukanrat ka de banyak keren sotu jingmut bat pan ru ka jingkar pat baya ki khatra tali kishnong ki bahab khapot ka blok 2 kim dei ban hap shapo ka jela Assam ula ong ru bana kalyang kasenjuk kirang basnong ka border area Jingïakren ru halor ki scheme ba pher bat karoi ka par bat ba ka jela Assam kam dei bantuklar bat penwet halor kini ki scheme ki bahab hakini khatra tali kishnong ki badan ha khapot
Ngayang hangne kumu presiden juga senjuk rong basnong juga di border area ngi daka cingsung kuman ngi wan hapo juga nika ceka ban ya kendu ya u chief minister juga celami kalinya kene kesmi gede kecing kot cungi yang ngi kum ka senjuk ka bangin yo ban ya keren ban ya discourse na kenta kanika phase 2 ko bade ban Pynbeit no yu put sang dan negara yang cungi wan hakan kepor ban ya keren ban ya sungtu cingmut badi bakini ki khat pratali ki snong ki bahab hapo ka blok 2 ko ni ti porosi kata de ni la wan ban penbor ban kepat isim instar ba in sim ban ya keren bakini khat pratali ki snong kim le ban hab hapo kecelasan kadi kata ka poin ke ban kong ka keren Jika barang lekran nak bentak karoi ke par ke scheme ke development. Jadi chief minister ila keren syai bana ke bentak ki development baru nak duk kenika por ke bamenta namai khaliar ke di bania syai ki kabor polis Assam kim dei ban penwit ban pentut nak ke bentak ki scheme ki ba nya dei bar kita ki snong ki bahap hapo ka di area kini ki khat ratli ki snong de ka Jingïakren sungi ke de ke Jingïakren ke tenat na ke bentaj ni ke por tengin am nomor ka cingkular pat chongki kalong ba sien no mentangin si Pynbeit no bangin ya Pynbeit no yung put usam hakini hiki kendet sungi ki pemerintah tengin am setengah kata ke por teng iba ni kermen ru ba ke ni ke Jingïakren ke sungi ke por kin kan long ke Jingïakren ka ba le no kalong ke Jingïakren ka ba la panwan ra pat ya ke cicok na ke bentaj sungi kum kinong sung ki ba la chungat hai ki por baro hai ki jing kordet ki jing kuslai hai ki jing syai no ben hai ki ni ki sorkar ki sungi tementang le keren de ka ba syai tung le don lang tinggal le yo pani slok ki jing don kambaro ngin pej pat se ko por bana kalian sungi ngila kerpat lu bakat bom perlah ban Pynbeit yu put sam ngi ong ba suha ban ai no ya ka polis kem setai sepo berai te isi minister la cuba ba ya mentahi nama ba ngin om ya penbun kam syu ngin om ya keren syu ya kita ki aka baro tengin ya sim no be juga kamban Pynbeit no yu put sam tengin le ikut tang Yang kecingkuan sungi PI nomor ba kita ki khat pratali ki snong kide ki snong kasi kide ki snong ki badan hapo ka right nong tum ngan su batai pi kumne nomor ki spas nam ki ba man swa ki kade ka snong ka subu ka snong umat ka dei hak chandu su kata ka khat pratali ki snong te kade pat ka nong ba jongka right nong tum pi hapo ka right nong tum gadon lai pu sautali ki snong Lai pu sau teli kisnong ngidon hangni ya u sim chukarai nungtung ngidon lai pu sau teli kisnong hapo karai nungtung daya kita ki khat khat teli kisnong pal asyat khat sya kni no syaka sarkar Assam pi te hadu menta ko magi tip hadu kni kapor ko menta le ki lakhot yangi kum kita ki bahap ko blok tu kecing sya kini ki khat khat teli kim hap ha ko blok tu tengi wan ban keren menta kalong ba kecing kwa cui kalong ba kini ki khat pratali kisnong ni kam be jaka ba kadega kisnong ke bahap po ka ranong tung hapo ka Hima chung sim khairim bat hapo ka jalami khalia te tangkata kecing kwa cungi namar ba habangi phaila dekin panhap ingi si Assam ngintip senom namar ngi degi ka culture ngi don sekhasi ke ketin ke thli ngim lang bani keren baki debat ki kam ki chingedei bat ki ngim don ki chingedei Teka bu i ke Jingïakren ki pai ba nong sno. Tingwan alor kata kanore namar ngidei ki kasi ngidei ka dok senam kasi ting kwa he ba kini ke cekakan wan no supo celam kali. Live ko sang tali ki snong kini kala don ka register ka belada ko register hapo silo lalu ki por ki mensua desa ka ibat ka bangin ong ba ngin dom don ki kot ki slan namar ha belada pan register kini ka ya kini ka right nong tung hapo kot hasilong kekamut ba sakai pat kita ikut kisah tentang dongkap. Pingin keren baru si ketu kibreu keren kata ka blok 1 blok 2. Kia pensyai ki pensungtuk bakalai ngi kata ia kata notification ka bak hotline tarik april khandai spa sanpui ngingim sungtuk su. Pingin mentang yuan be ni ba lakum nor katkum kenika hok no kanti jongi ini ki ka caj berdun tung keberan hat ar ligi caj. Balada pinpoi mà khi bà rọ thì bà quạ phần tim cái tăng là phim bơi hay tay bỏ xuống mắt cái rạch nung tung cái đăng đón nhiều cái mắt nông cần tì cái lòng kita ki arteli ki krum chu ki mau ki betap ki sim chu ki bayar mensua cái đăng tay bỏ xuống mắt dan sakai pat ka mungkin pensisa ki saki sabo register ha ka sarkar Meghalaya ngilada dapat kita ki mau ba amang sam ka ba kilong swai ki man swai ki labu de ki spaslam ki man swai ki ladan sakai pat ko min ai kita saki
Nagaliang umentri rangba ulo ong ba kani ka sarkar ka IT ban pelat ya ki pat ba na ki jing'e kham tam le ha ka ba ya dei bat ki jing'e ka ja khaput bat halor kani ulo ong ba ki layat cha khamat ban soya ka skolar MOU na ka benta ki hindu tuli ki snong ki ba ha ki than khaput sho ulo ong ba udan ka Jingïakren ba Hadien habut ka sarkar ka dan ni ka jingtmu ban yo ban soy skolar ru na ka benta ki we pat ki snong ki barangsa.
So today we had our representatives, the Jingïakren and other traditional heads who have come from Block 2 area, and they had expressed concerns about the border dispute in Block 2, and they've submitted a memorandum where they have mentioned 18 villages that are there, which should be within Meghalaya, and they expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas, and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations, and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could, that based on the implementation, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase. Thank you very much.